thank you for watching these videos. My name is Kamia Simon, and in this video I'll be using Ohana by Netson. Alright, it's a new video. Do not forget to subscribe, and his music is good for use as long as you credit. Alright, so apart from that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Now the other one was subscription to Ohana, to Netson's channel. Now we have my channel. Okay, you just hover the mouse over here and then you subscribe. All right, and then still do not forget to subscribe to Zinen. So if you watch some of my videos in the description, Zinen also has good music that can be used. All right, so enough of talking and introduction. Now let's go to Maxscript. All right, in this video I promised. Now some have been asking, why do I use Maxscript? All right, before I say that, still do not forget to reach out to me on Skype, and my Skype ID is this #CZNKI, and you can do we can do a direct chat, and I even share my screen with you with Skype. Still, if you want to support, you can simply support me via PayPal through my email, and everything is down there in the description. Now, some people have been asking, why do I use the documentation? It's because of one, what I explained in the previous video. The documentation is too wide, so some of the things you need to go through the documentation. Two, you'll find that the documentation has all answers, but people find it hard to understand. So before we go to me creating my personal scripts, I always want to use the documentation to show you how I'm deriving things from everything. Now, of course, the first I've gone to Maxscript, or you just go to Google and type Maxscript help, like you can see here, and then you click on the Autodesk channel. Now there are very many things, but I want to first, we're going to see getting started, how to use the script. Okay, so accessing Maxscript, it ships with 3ds Max, and then you can right click here, and then you choose that you want to use the listener or the editor. So let's first click the listener. What the listener will do, all right, so for us to see what the listener has, I first, okay, now I can drag a box here, okay, but nothing is happening, all right, in here. So I can enable the macro recorder, and whatever I do, all right, okay, is recorded here. For example, I've created a box, and then this is a transformation, this is a position, all right, and then it is still selected, okay, and then that's the width and the height. All right, so even when I come and scale, okay, this, it will be recorded. You can see the scale, okay, is being updated. First of all, the scale was 1 by 1, but now it is being updated, okay. And then even if I do the rotation, all right, so you see, so now the function rotate, or the method rotate, is being called, and this dollar shows that some item is selected. For example, if I click on this, you see it says select dollar box 001. You can even choose to rename. Now apart from that, down here, so that is down here on the listener, I can still come and do a few things. For example, I can type still box, and I put brackets, and then I press enter. You see it has created a box, okay, at position 000. I can still say that is the listener. The listener can also give us quick items such as 1 plus 2. You see the answer is 3. Or we can assign values that B is equal to 4, and then C is equal to 5. The answer should be 9, and then we say that we want to have B plus C, okay, answer is 9, or B minus C, answer is -1. So you can use the listener for quick calculations, whatever you need, but still the macro recorder will give us some answers. Now Maxscript is easy, it's just like Python. That's why we have the Python handle here. So if you want to use Python, you can. If you want to use Maxscript, you can, but I'll stick to Maxscript. I haven't done any tests in Python yet. Alright, so apart from that, we have what we call the editor. So you right click again down here and then you choose open editor. Alright, so I have my previous script. I'll just close that and then we have a new script. So let's go back to the documentation. I don't want to drive people away so much from the documentation. Alright, here they are showing you the different ways of opening it. So the source code, this is just easy. Alright, some of the things I won't go through. 1+4 that we've done. Then assigning variables, we've just seen the variables. Okay, I'll talk about the string now. Okay, the string, let me do that in the listener. Alright, so a string, if you want to write anything in Maxscript and write it as a string, for example, if I type my name, it will give me undefined because it doesn't know if that's a value or alright. So if I want to indicate that this is a string, I just type my name in quotes, and then when I press enter, you can see it has returned as a string.